This is Agrippina. She's the one that likes to look around and much more happy to just start exploring. And this is Gaius. Gaius is far more shy. He's very likely to ball up in your hands and just peek out from under his coils. Ball pythons, they can go, and regularly do, go for months at a time. On average, in the wild, probably about 3 to 4 months or so between meals. When they do eat, they can eat upwards of their own body weight at a time. And so that massive meal really kicks their metabolism into overdrive. Looking through everything that changed in pythons over the course of just after eating a meal, finding this one metabolite, PTOS, that went up by 1,000-fold. And so seeing that kind of change really got us questioning, why? So what's it doing? Why does it need to increase that much? And we found that it suppressed their appetite.
We started studying pythons probably around 2006 or 7. They have evolved to do things that humans either can't do or can't do as quickly or in the same order of magnitude that a snake can do. And that has to do with its ability to go for long periods of time without eating anything, without any negative consequences. And so their response to a meal is exaggerated compared to us or mice or rats. There are going to be multiple mechanisms for preventing, treating obesity. Some people really can't tolerate the ones that are out there now. We discovered something that is quite different than GLP-1. So many of the drugs that you see being prescribed can have a lot of potent side effects. And there are data now that suggests that people sometimes stop taking them because they can't tolerate the side effects. And so we were hoping that since we found something that might be chemically different, that we would find something that didn't have some of those same side effects and maybe had a different mechanism of action. So the idea would be to try to find a substance in the python that might actually be able to prevent this or treat it in humans. We want to actually capitalize on what has happened during many, many years of evolution that has given them the ability to do things that humans either don't normally do or they do it poorly.